Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 1,500 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today we're going to show you a nice machine. We don't get too many of these very often. This is a double-headed miter saw, and it's a very nice saw. Everything's pretty much powered, ready to go. You'll see it's got many air vices all around. All those are working fine. We'll go ahead and show you how this works. You get both the heads to come down at once, as well as if you need to turn a miter to do a window frame or a door frame or anything, you can miter both of them at whatever angle. It's also got the compound miter on them built in. Go ahead and start both of the saw heads for you. Now, of course, these are for non-ferrous materials, so brass, aluminum, lighter materials such as that. Not really made for steel. You can do all your different operations. There you can see the vise is actuating. The head's coming down. You'll cut through. Take your hands off and you're ready to go. Now you can see the vices retract. Now, we'll stop the head right there and show you the last nice thing. You'll see a really long scale here all the way throughout. Goes all the way to 138 inches. That'll give you the ability to move the head here to wherever you need it. It does have a manual, but if you want to move it by power, you can go ahead here. You got your indicator right here. You can see now it's at 77 inches and so on. Bring that in, as well as really nice, this control slides around so that wherever you make your piece for production, you can walk right into the machine, everybody's safe, and you'll get your production done. Now, if you're looking for one of these machines, new or used, we do carry just about every type. And if you need financing, we can help you out with that too. Please give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com.